Psalm 138, Psalm of David. I will praise you, O Lord, with all my heart. Before the gods, I will sing your praise. I will bow down towards your holy temple. I will praise your name for your love and your faithfulness. For you have exalted above all things your name and your word. When I call, you answer me. You made me bold and stout-hearted. May all the kings of the earth praise you, O Lord, when they hear the word of your mouth. May they sing of the ways of the Lord, for the glory of the Lord is great. Though the Lord is on high, he looks upon the lowly, but the proud he knows from afar. Though I walk in the midst of trouble, you preserve my life. You stretch out your hand against the anger of my foe. With your right hand, you save. The Lord will fulfill his purpose for me. Your love, O Lord, endures forever. Do not abandon the work of your hand. Amen.